You are watching VK's Home Decor channel. If you want to create a stylish home interior design or renovate your home, then this video will be very helpful. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe the channel. Today we are going to discuss about another interesting video for false ceiling interior design ideas for living room and bedroom and kitchen. False ceiling are best suited to homes that have high ceilings as they enable the addition of depth to any room. The ceiling can transform your whole space in a better way. The area may add beauty to a home and it can give your room a unique character. False ceilings are very popular amongst interior designers and lighting experts. In fact, they may be just the thing you need to provide the perfect finishing touch to your home. False ceiling can change the look of your room completely and making any room look stunning. They house decorating or layer lighting, conceal any loose electric cables, and can even help you save on heating cost. Available in a wide array of design, shapes and styles, each false ceiling light fixture has a specific purpose. The living room is the heart of the home, so it's important to properly layer light in the space. False ceiling fixtures can be an excellent source of ambient lighting, especially in large or open spaces like living room. False ceiling is a three-step process including framing, boarding and finishing. They are both decorative and functional, energy efficient and fire safe, soundproof and sag resistant. A dropped ceiling or false ceiling is very much popular. You can use the ceiling as per your budget and requirements. The most cost-effective ceiling material available in the thermocol. Gypsum board is the most commonly used material for false ceiling due to its many benefits. One of those advantages is the heat-resistant property of this material. Puff false ceiling are best suited for living room and bedroom. A smooth finish and can be molded to suit any design on the ceiling. Puff false ceiling have a few unique traits well suited for kitchen. They give a smooth finish and can be painted over a customized. They are also better suited for large and more elaborate spaces. Gypsum boards are soft. They can be molded into your favorite design very easily. Based on your ceiling design, you can use LED lights which are energy efficient wherever required. The material is versatile and can be used for living room, bedroom and kitchen. You can use the ceiling as per your budget and requirements. Suggest a minimum of 9 feet from false ceiling to floor. The perfect ceiling design varies for each room and each home and depending on the available space, the surrounding walls and the overall theme, pattern and colors of the house. There are different types of false ceiling available: thermocol, gypsum, pop, Armstrong, PVC and wooden ceiling. The false ceiling cost will differ based on the grade or quality of the material. The cost will vary depending on the type of plywood as well as the complexity of the design. All the ceiling light choose is depend upon the customer's life. You choose the rightest colors and shape to decor your home. For compact rooms with low ceilings, this indirect lighting option fits best. The arrangements in a grid pattern can give to the rather modish look. Warm white is much more relaxing, calm light, whereas a cool white is a very bright light that can improve concentration. All the ceiling light choices depend upon the customer's life.